Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, FunsizedStyle. My name is Michaela, and thanks for stopping by. So for today's video, I look incredibly different. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, Mystic Mermaid makeup tutorial based on the products that I received in my Sweet Sparkle beauty box, and the theme of that box was Mystic Mermaid. If you have not seen that video, I will link in the iCard. I think that'll help you understand this look a lot more. I absolutely love Sweet Sparkle beauty box. This video is not sponsored. They did not send me this box to review or do the video with or anything like that. I just love this subscription. So if you're interested in subscribing, I will link it down below. Theme of the box that I did the unboxing for that month was Mystic Mermaid. There was a lot of struggles in this makeup look, but I really like how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty darn good minus all of that. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this Mystic Mermaid makeup tutorial based on Mystic Mermaid Sweet Sparkle box, be sure to keep watching. To start off this makeup look, I started using a few different products. They're not really new. Well, they're not new, but they're not even newer to me. They're just products that I've had in my collection that I haven't used. I used up my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation a few months ago now, so I've been using some other products since I haven't repurchased that. I'm not repurchasing foundation anymore, so I'm on the hunt for a more natural alternative for foundation. It has to be super full coverage, but I feel like any other brand besides Estee Lauder, even if it's not natural, is like better for me, just because that's how many ingredients are in the Estee Lauder foundation. That's why I'm showing the foundation powder primer process again, because I'm using a few new things, different things for me. I'm going to start this tutorial with the NYX First Base Primer Spray. You can also use this as a setting spray as well. I used this appropriate makeup for middle schoolers video, and I haven't really used it since. I've started to use this again. Just going to go ahead and use this to prime. And in place of, like I said, my Estee Lauder Double Wear, I've been using the NYX BB Cream, and I'm in the shade Nude. I've actually used this for a few months now in place of my Estee Lauder Double Wear. There's also another product I used in my appropriate makeup for middle schoolers video. I'll put that in the iCard because I'm mentioning it a lot. I just happen to be using up a lot of those products from that video. So I've actually, instead of a brush, well, this is a brush, but I've been really enjoying using these oval brushes, and I have no idea how to say this brand, but it's that one right there. I don't know how to say that, but I'll have everything linked in the description if you're interested. So I just put this on here so that it's just easier and quicker to put on your face. I feel like you have to use a little bit more product because it gets soaked into the brush a little bit. To me, it's worth it. On camera, it seems like it's way too light for me, but in person, it's like the perfect shade. I think it's just the weird lighting. I don't know why it makes me look like a ghost on camera. 'Cause I've been traveling the world looking for you again. I've just been really trying to use up makeup that I have. I have so much makeup. You guys don't even know. I'm going to be doing a makeup collection actually really soon. I have so much makeup. I'm trying to be really good at using up what I have. I actually haven't bought makeup in a long time. I have a little haul coming soon of makeup, but it's because I had a gift card. I actually bought this stuff several months ago and totally forgot to do the video. I haven't even used the makeup. It was only just a few things. I know that's bad. So before I even buy more makeup, I'm trying to use up what I have, so I've just been using a random array of products. For concealer, I'm going to use this brush by the same brand, just a different size, and then I'm going to use the ColourPop concealer. I never use these. I have two shades because I just ordered, like when I ordered them a long time ago. When I ordered them a few months ago, it was like several months ago, I ordered a few shades because I didn't know what their return policy is like and or what shade I was in. They actually all kind of worked, and I don't know how that can even happen, how you can be multiple shades. I'm going to use the one in Light Natural. The BB cream isn't very high coverage, so I'm going to be using like a ton of concealer. For you. but I'm going to be blending it out. I'm going to take this brush and blend, blend, blend. Look so white in this lighting. I don't understand it. I look fine in person. The lighting is really washing me out today. For some reason, like, this looks normal in person, but on camera, I look white as I go. So I do not look like this in person. I look fine. So sorry for the washout. Next, I'm gonna apply my eyeshadow primer to get ready for eyeshadow. Duh. And I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. lid primer in the shade Sheer. Ocean air. Ocean air. Ocean air. I made this tropical house for you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. In this tropical house. I zoomed you guys in a bit because next I'm going to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the Anatasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I love this product. When I purchased these in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale last year, I think. It was my first time buying the product and I didn't know what shade I was in. So I purchased taupe and soft brown, and they both work. I've just been using like either or to use up the product. But it's cool that both of the shades work. Love that product. You can obviously tell I have eyebrows now. So I promise we're going to be getting into the product that were in the Mystic Mermaid 3 Sparkle box, because that's the whole point of this video, is to create a look based on that theme of the box using the product that were in the box. I obviously don't give you all of these products, so I have to use my own products first. I promise we'll be getting there soon. Next, I'm going to be using bronzer, and this is just a sample of the Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics. Just trying to use up products again that were in my box. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try this. So many voices that invite me to come back, and all the memories I realized I forgot to use face powder. Oh well. I made this song for you to see you smile again. It still looks okay without face powder, but I probably help that I use the BB cream and not a foundation, because then I'd be looking pretty cakey. So now I think we're finally, should I say that? Finally going to get into the products that were in my Sweet Sparkle beauty box. This was the powder that I was gonna use. This wasn't in the Sweet Sparkle Mystic Mermaid box, obviously, but this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. I just, for some reason, forgot to use it this time. That's kind of weird. Super nervous, because this is where it's gonna start to get dramatic. The look, not my personality. So first, I'm gonna do this product by the brand of Bellapierre Cosmetics. I forgot what I called it. Something loose powder. I don't know, but you can use it as a blush. I had to do some research on this product because I never used a product like this. I don't know how to say that shade name, but I'll have everything linked down below. But it's a super, super, super bright pink in your face pink. I'm going to use this as a blush. But it's like, it's mermaid, so it's supposed to be dramatic. Lightly, and I mean lightly, dip my brush in the product. So you can already see like how much product is on here. I'm just going to go with it and apply. Oh my gosh, okay. Supposed to be that way because it's like mermaid. Do I look like a mermaid yet? I knew it was going to be bright, I just thought it would apply differently. Perhaps I don't look like a mermaid yet. We'll get there and we'll do highlight and all of the things. does this look... Okay, the theme is Mystic Mermaid. That is a very messy product. I think it actually look like okay. Again, this Mystic Mermaid. I just want this product to go up more. I think this next step will also help tie everything in, and that is highlight. I think of like Mystic Mermaid as like very glowy, so I'm going to use the Mary-Lou Manizer Highlight by theBalm. And I will let you guys know when I use another product in the box. The Bellapierre product was the only one that we've used so far. Now we are going to do the eyes. As you guys know, I already did eye primer. But here is the shadow that they gave us for the Mystic Mermaid box. Here's what it is. It looks very, very messy. This is a product by J.Cat, and this is J.Cat Rockin' the Night. I think it's Mermaid Waves. I feel like between this pink blush and these green teal toned eyeshadow, I think these are very mermaid-esque colors. So I think in the end, it will look like mermaid, Mystic Mermaid tutorial. So this is an eyeshadow quad. This is, like I said, not in the box. This was included in a makeup kit that one of you guys sent me, oh gosh, probably 2 years ago now. And when I went to my P.O Box, there was no name on the box, no note where it came from, not like what city, nothing. So I never found out who it was that sent me this makeup kit, but it was very immaculate. It had like so many different quads and like a lipstick and a blush that I still use to this day. I love the stuff that was in the box, and I never received anything like that before in my P.O Box, and I never got to thank the person via social media or anything because there was no name or no note. So if that is you, just know that I'm still using these products and I'm very grateful. So I haven't used this quad yet because, as you guys know, this is not really a color scheme that's my forte. It came in handy for this tutorial. I also snagged my ColourPop My Little Pony palette because it has this color right here. It's kind of what I was going for. I thought I had more of a green shade in here, but I guess not. So I think we're just going to stick with this quad. I'm actually going to take my Little Pony palette first and take this shade right here and do it as a base. Prepare the eye? I don't know what I'm trying to say, but use this shade first all over the lid. And another product that was in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty box was this brush by e.l.f. and it just says it's the eyeshadow brush. It's not like a specific name. Somebody use that for the all over the lid shade. I have not used this palette yet, actually. It's My Little Pony palette, and I'm just super impressed with how that shade applies. Just like smooth and effortlessly. So I'm going to take this brush, this upper corner color here, and just apply it up here, and then get ready to put I don't know what this part is called. Let me just say, again, I do makeup on YouTube, but I'm not a professional. I look absolutely insane. Now I think I am going to put this shade on. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh my, it's spilling everywhere. Hope this doesn't cause me to go blind because it's going in my eyes and everything. Oh my, this is not good. It is going in my eyes. I don't want to go blind. J.Cat, I feel like this could cause somebody a lot of problems. Don't ever buy this product, you guys. A brush.
Of all the places I've been, for me there's nothing.
Do not try this at home. Do not try this. So how do I fix this mess? We're gonna try something, and it could go terribly right, or it could go terribly wrong. Wow, oh, this
like waking up with you, and I'm a little tired.
This whole thing just looks really bad. I look like I don't know what I'm doing, because I don't. I'll be back with you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna see if I have some kind of super vibrant, super glittery teal. I don't know if I have anything like that. I'll be back in a bit.
12 seconds later.
I think I might have found something. I don't know if it'll match in this CoverGirl palette that they sent me. Green in here that I think would look cool on the lid. And I'm actually going to take this brush and try. I don't know how pigmented it is, but it looks like just what I need to save this. Oh wow, that's way too dark.
'Cause I've been traveling the world looking for you.
Okay, so we're going to take this ice blue color right here, and it kind of, it's on the eye, it kind of matches. CoverGirl, thank you for saving the day. This doesn't look half bad. Just, I think it's because I had that weird gap that everything looked kind of weird. Oh my gosh, this is like the saving grace. Oh, this tutorial. saving grace of this tutorial. I will link it down below. You need this. For never working with color eyeshadow, like I've worked a little bit with it before, but not really, let me know what you think. Do you think this is a Mystic Mermaid tutorial? Be honest. Be like bluntly honest, because I want to know. For all the struggles I had to go through in this look, it looks darn good. That product is going to go right in the trash when I'm done this J.Cat sparkle junk, because it's way too messy and I'm never going to use it again. So we're going to finish up eyes by doing mascara. I'm going to use my Benefit They're Real Lash Primer, because you guys know I don't go anywhere without this. Well, I mean, I go out without makeup all the time, but I mean, when I do wear makeup, I really ever not wear this. So for mascara, that was another product that was included in the Mystic Mermaid Sweet Sparkle box, and they included the Doucce Max Lash Volumizer Mascara. This is so different for me, you guys. Oh my gosh. I get a lot of comments actually saying you want me to work with colored eyeshadow, so I hope that this made your wish come true. Eyes are like completely done. Mascara and all. You know what that means. The last product in this Mystic Mermaid Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box was LASplash Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cookie Dough. We'll see if this is a shade that ties in the Mystic Mermaid look. Oh my gosh, you guys. I freaking nailed it. I mean, there's so many mistakes with the eyeshadow and like so much trouble, but for all that I had to go through with the eyeshadow, I think it looks really, really good. So here is the Mystic Mermaid makeup look from the Sweet Sparkle Mystic Mermaid box. Enjoyed how this look turned out. As you know, there were definitely a lot of struggles that went into this, but I think I ended up saving it. I mean, for me, never working with colored shadows ever, I feel like it turned out pretty good. I think that they included some great products in the box to make it really work out well. Let me know what you thought of this tutorial. Again, it's so different for me, but I want to know your thoughts, and it's okay to criticize me because I know that this was not my best tutorial, but that was the theme, and that was the theme of the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box with Mystic Mermaid. So of course, that's what I had to work with. That forced me to try things I never tried before with makeup. Let me know what you thought. I hope it wasn't too bad. I hope I didn't totally embarrass myself. I hope you guys enjoyed, and again, be sure to subscribe to Sweet Sparkle down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!